I'm Nikki. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps your girl out and I do appreciate it. Stick around so you can see how these yummy, delicious cookies were made. Hey, it's me, Nikki, and I'm a homemaker. Welcome to my channel. You guys, this is my first Vlogmas. I know that Vlogmas is like, I guess you're supposed to vlog every day. Not every video will be a vlog. But I am going to attempt to upload a video every day, so bear with me, you guys. It's my first time. I'm excited, kind of nervous because that's a lot of content every single day, but we're gonna try to make this work. So today my daughter is going to make some chocolate chip cookies. On this channel I have made pumpkin, what else, oatmeal, and some other ones, but I've never done chocolate chip, and my daughter's gonna show me how she does them, that she the way she learned in school. I'm all over the place. Anyways, she doesn't want to be shown on camera, but it's gonna be her hand you're looking at, and she's gonna explain how to do it. It's a super easy recipe that you can make at home for your kids, or you can teach your kids to make it on Christmas. So stick around, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, you guys, the ingredients will be listed below, just to let you know. This is her first time doing a how-to, so just bear with her. But what did you just say, Helen?
Preheat the oven to 375.
Okay. And explain what happened here to this pour.
We just softened the butter. I think too much.
Okay, so you need soft butter. Okay, so she has, what is this, brown sugar?
Brown sugar.
Oh, okay.
You gotta put half a cup.
Half a cup of brown sugar.
Half a cup of, what was it called, white sugar?
Mm-hmm. What do they say? Granulated or something like that? I don't know how to say the word. Yeah.
And then the butter too.
The melted butter.
And okay, I'm gonna mix that.
Okay, she's gonna mix that. She decided to go ahead and mix it right now, but you can wait until you add the egg and vanilla extract and then mix it.
Some vanilla extract.
Now you can dump all this and then mix it, but she mixed it first and then added the egg. This would be called your wet ingredients.
Yeah.
And then she put, how much was that?
A half teaspoon. Half
a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
And you're supposed to use another bowl, but I'm just going to add it in there.
Yeah, that would be your dry ingredients. So usually when you bake, you have your wet bowl and your dry bowl. But you can mix it all in there, especially the people that have the big mixers, those electronic ones. They just mix everything in there. So she's going to do that here as well.
A cup and a half of flour.
Okay.
And mix it at the same time.
She decided to put half a cup of flour right now, and then later she'll add the rest. You don't have to wait till later to add the rest. You can go ahead and mix it all together right now, but this is how she decided to do it.
A 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Now the baking soda does what to the egg? I mean, the baking soda and the egg do what to the cookie?
Help it rise.
Yeah.
And a 1/4 of salt.
Okay. 4th teaspoon of salt. Okay. I was like, dang girl. Okay.
And then add the rest of the flour.
Okay. So you like your class, your culinary class where you're learning how to cook and bake?
Yeah, it's fun.
What's the favorite thing you have made so far?
I don't like stuffing, but it was fun making it.
Oh, okay. Now when you're going to apply the chocolate chips, how much do you measure it, or you just kind of look at it and...
You put a cup.
Oh, it's a cup, yeah.
A cup and a half.
I started out with measuring it, and then I just started looking at it.
How much I want. But this says put half in a cup.
Okay.
You gotta fold it in there.
Okay. And how many does this make?
24 cookies.
24 cookies. Okay. Okay, so instead of putting cooking spray, you are applying parchment paper. What do you like better? This is what you like, parchment paper?
Yeah.
I love using parchment paper when I'm doing round cakes. Now, how far apart are you gonna keep these babies? An inch each?
Yes.
Okay. How long do you plan on leaving these in there?
Like 9 to 10 minutes.
9 to 10 minutes. I leave my cookies in there 8 minutes, and you do not like that. I know you're always complaining, but Daddy likes them super soft. But now he's been liking your cookies with a little bit. They're still soft, but the top layer is a nice warm crunch, and he loves it.
Showing up.
She's using an ice cream scoop. I ordered that one specifically for cookies and making meatballs. You can look on Amazon for different sizes. But this size, I can't even remember what it is, to tell you the truth. But it's not a regular size. The oven is ready, and she's going to put these 2 trays in there for, she said,
9 minutes.
Alrighty. Yum. Okay, guys, we're going to put these bad boys at 375 for 9 minutes. See you in a bit. It has been 9 minutes. Oop, look, we're over here barbecuing too. Barbecue chicken and cookies. Okay, so this is a cooling rack. I like to put my cookies on there all the time so that it cools on the bottom, because the pan stays hot and it continues to cook the cookies. And for me, sometimes they get a little too hard. Helen leaves hers, don't you leave yours usually on the pan?
Yeah.
She usually leaves hers on the pan, but you have to wait, I would say like she's doing it right away. They just literally came out, but you have to be careful because these can tear apart because they're still so warm whenever you're transferring them to the cooling rack. So I would wait like less than a minute. Like she could do it already. They're already hardening up. So what's the trick with cookies and not burning them?
They don't look ready when you take them out, but you're supposed to let them cool for like 5 minutes, and then it'll start getting its color
and get hard. Yeah. And people like to leave them in there. They'll pull them out and be like, oh, these still look raw. I'm gonna leave it in the oven longer. And when I first started baking cookies, that's what I did. And I still have friends that do that, and I'm like, girl, take them out, leave them out. So I want you to see how they still kind of look raw. Actually, they're already starting to get their color. Go ahead and transfer some over here. Yeah, they're ready. They just look raw, and that's just something that a lot of people think when they are baking cookies. Now, do you need the cooling rack? No, Helen leaves hers in there. I used to do that, or you can just transfer them to a plate or something else. But I really like using the cooling rack. When I make batches of cookies, this rack actually turns into a tower, a 3-layer tower that I actually got on Amazon last year. And I loved it a lot, so I always like to use the cooling rack. Okay, so we're gonna let these sit. Look, they're already getting color. I can see the difference. I can see it already. They're still soft. I want to show you how they're still soft.
This is that one.
Look, this one's getting hard already. See, guys, give it some time. 5 more minutes and that's it. Well, Helen, I know these are great. You guys know I don't really get to eat sweets because of my blood sugar problems, but we're going to have Nehemiah eat one. Tell us what you think of Helen's cookies.
They just came out of the oven.
Yeah, fresh out of the oven. So they're still a little soft. They're not completely hard.
Good though.
So good. What do you think?
They're pretty great.
She does pretty good, huh? Alright, guys. We're going to end it here. Did a great job, Mary Helen. I'm so proud of you, girl. You got some skills on you. Can't wait to see what else they teach you in that class. And of course, don't think I don't try to be teaching her, but she likes to learn in school. She don't want me telling her what to do. Is that a fact, Helen?
No comment.
She said no comment. All right, guys. Well, thank y'all for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. We will be having her bake some other things as well. She was a little shy, but I think she did a great job today. If you haven't done so already, you guys, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps your girl out. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment if you want to show some love. Until the next time, I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed one.